How to load dataset in Google Colab. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can load a dataset in Google Colab. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Google Colab, and after you do that, head over to your files. Now what you'll need to do here is you will need to create a folder. So just do that. As you can see right here, when I'm on the folders, there is a sample data folder here. If I expand on it, there are different data sets right there. Now what I'll do is I'll just upload a file here first. So let me just upload a file, head over to my location here, and yeah, I'll just upload this one. So just don't mind that error. But after you upload the file, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to start writing a code. First, what you'll need to do is you'll need to import pandas as PD. Now this is a library, so just import pandas as PD, hit enter, you can run that, and after you do that you can simply load a data set. Now what you'll need to do here is you'll need to type in a code so that you can just copy this path first. So I'll just copy the path. Now what you'll need to do is write a code that is df is equals to pd.read underscore csv, and inside this bracket you'll need to type, paste the path. After you do that, you can run this, and yeah, that is basically how you load a data set in your Google Colab. Now you can use this data set you can use it for your data extraction, you can use it for EDA, you can use it for cleaning, visualizing, anything that you want. And that is how you can load a data set in your Google Colab. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.